Today, we are unraveling a concept that's often tossed around in marketing world, but not always understood. A/B testing, also known as split testing. Whether you're refining your website or rolling out a new feature, knowing which test to use is crucial. Let's dive in and clear up any confusion. In its simplest form, A/B testing is like a gladiator match between two versions of your web page, email, or ad. The goal? To see which version emerges victorious in engaging your audience and driving them to action. Here's how it works. You take your original page, let's call it version A, and then tweak one element to create version B. This could be anything from color of your button, or changing the headline, or even the images. Next, you split your audience, directing 50% to version A and the other 50% to version B. By tracking how each group interacts with the page, you gather valuable data on which version performs better. So, when should you use A/B testing? Really, anytime you want to optimize, whether it's boosting conversions, increasing time on page, or even reducing bounce rates. For instance, testing two different headlines to see which one generates more signups for your newsletter would be a good A/B test. The beauty of A/B testing lies in its power to provide clear and data-driven insights. No more guessing if a green button works better than a red one. With A/B testing, you can take decisions based on hard evidence, ensuring that every change you make has a positive impact on your goals. Here's an example from Drawer 3, where we have two variations and both variations have the exact structure, copy, except the CTA button text, which varies from version A and B. The version A has the text "book your free consultation," while the version B has "get a callback." We can send 50% traffic to each variation and track the number of form fills. It's time to explore the tools that bring these strategies to life. Let's quickly go through some of the best in the industry. Kicking off with Optimizely, the versatile powerhouse. It is user-friendly for both novices and seasoned marketers, ideal for experimenting with any aspect of your digital presence. Next up, we have VWO, Visual Website Optimizer. Beyond simple A/B testing, VWO dives deep into user behavior insights, enabling a comprehensive optimization of your website's user journey. And then there's Unbounce, tailored for those focused on crafting perfect landing pages. Its intuitive drag-and-drop builder facilitates the creation and testing of pages designed to convert. No coding required. Each of these tools bring something unique to the table, but the best fit depends on your specific needs and goals. Explore them to find which one aligns with your digital marketing strategy. It's time to expand your horizons to split testing. You might have heard it used interchangeably with A/B testing, but there's a twist to what's worth exploring. At its core, split testing shares the same DNA with A/B testing, comparing two versions to see which one performs better. However, the difference lies in the scale. Instead of tweaking single elements, split testing often focuses completely on different designs or pages against each other. It's like comparing two different recipes rather than adjusting the amount of sugar in one. This brings us to the differences. While A/B testing might focus on the color of a button or the phrase of a headline, split testing goes for the full Monty. Entire page layouts, different navigation structures, or even contrasting content strategies. So, when is split testing your go-to strategy? Think major overhauls. You're launching a new product and can't decide between the two branding decisions, or you're considering redesigning your landing page to better capture leads. These are moments when split testing shines, offering insights that can guide significant decisions. And the advantages obviously are bigger, because with bigger changes come the potential for bigger impacts. Split testing can lead to more significant improvements in user engagement, conversion rates, and overall site performance. It's about taking bold steps and measuring how they resonate with your audiences. Embracing split testing means being ready to make substantial changes driven by data to leap forward. Let's take an example from DB6 Labs. Here, we're testing two completely different hero sections. The second variation is actually hosted under a different URL and split at the Google Ads campaign level. So, which of these tests are you likely to perform? Leave a comment below and share which one would you pick. A/B or split testing. When we dive into the world of A/B and split testing, understanding the nuts and bolts of statistical significance is crucial making informed decisions. Let's break it down. Statistical significance tells us if the difference in performance between two versions in a test is due to chance or if it's a reliable result. It's what gives us confidence in our data. For example, if version A of a landing page has a higher conversion rate than landing page version B, statistical significance helps us determine if this difference is likely to repeat in future scenarios or if it happened by luck. This is often measured by a p-value, with a common threshold being 0.05 or 5%. If our test results have a p-value lower than this, we can say we are 95% confident that the differences weren't just random. It's like being almost sure you found a winning strategy, not just a fluke. Applying this to our A/B or split testing means waiting until we have enough data to reach statistical significance before making decisions. It's about patience and precision, collecting enough data so that when you see a variation leading, you know it's truly the better option for your audience. But if it feels daunting, here's the good news. You don't have to be a math wizard to understand or calculate this, thanks to some fantastic tools out there designed to do the heavy lifting for you. Platforms like Optimizely, VW, Convert.com, and A/B Tasty have built-in features that automatically calculate the statistical significance for your A/B and split tests. This means you can focus more on strategy and less on crunching numbers. However, if you're curious about the math behind the magic or find yourself needing to make a quick calculation without the full suite of tools, here's a handy resource you can turn out to. evanmiller.org offers a variety of calculators specifically for A/B testing, including one for calculating statistical significance. It's straightforward, just input your test data and it crunches the numbers for you. It's perfect for a quick check for those looking to get a deeper understanding of the principles behind statistical significance. That's a mouthful. Combining A/B and split testing can really level up your strategy. Using split testing for those big decisions on direction or design, then refine your winning concept with A/B testing. It's a smart way to ensure your site or product not only meets but exceeds user expectation. So there you have it. Choosing between A/B and split testing depends on the scale of changes you are considering. Remember, the goal is to constantly improve and innovate, keeping your audience's needs at the forefront. Don't hesitate to experiment with both methods to find what works best for you. Thank you for tuning in. Keep exploring, keep testing, and keep making those impactful decisions. Catch you in the next video.